Hey, real estate followers. We're going to talk about something that I call the Tiffany Ln Syndrome. That is when someone is just starting to look, but they walk into a home and they believe that it is the perfect home for them. Now, not every home is perfect, but if you're working with an experienced realtor and a good lender, that realtor won't let you buy that home without the contingency of a home inspection. The lender won't let you pay too much because they want to make sure the value is there to protect the mortgage that they're going to give you. And if you pass on a home that you're absolutely in love with, you may end up suffering from the Tiffany Ln Syndrome. Bum, bum, bum. That is something that I named 40 years ago for this nice couple. Mrs. Buyer fell in love with a home on Tiffany Lane. Mr. Buyer said, "This is the first home we've looked at, so we're not making an offer right away." They lost that home on Tiffany Lane. And for the next 2 years, they were local. So for the next 2 years, I showed them houses once or twice a week. And no home compared to Tiffany Lane, and she compared every aspect of every home to the Tiffany Lane that she had lost. Now, it wasn't all bad because that was my introduction to new construction, because finally I went to the builder that had built the home on Tiffany Lane and asked him to please duplicate it exactly for my clients. And he did, and they were happy, even though it cost him 30% more than the existing home that she originally fell in love with. But that is my story of Tiffany Lane, and I call it the Tiffany Ln Syndrome because you have to be careful about falling in love with a house that perhaps you can't or won't buy, and then later longing only for that house. So talk to your experienced, honest realtor and get their opinion, and happy house hunting.